So here is one of the numerical related to maintenance dose. One of the newly discovered cardioactive glycoside has been experimented, whose half-life is 24 hours, VD 3 liters per kg, and the patient is of 65 kg weight. So VD becomes 195 liters. Plasma protein binding is 25%, while percentage bioavailability is 75%, which becomes 0.75. Minimum effective concentration is 1.5 nanogram per ml, and minimum toxic concentration is 4 nanogram per ml. If we convert MEC into microgram per liters, then it will be 1.5 mics per liter. We have to find the maintenance dose. The formula that we have to use is C average, means average concentration, plasma concentration, that is equal to FD naught over KVD tau. Remember, dosing interval tau is equal to 24 hours, means OD dose is given. We know the F, that is 0.75. We don't know the D naught. We have to find the D naught, that is the maintenance dose. Rather, I should write DM here. K is equal to 0.693 over T half. We know the T half is equal to 24, so K will become 0.693 over 24. We know the VD is equal to 195 and tau is equal to 24 hours. So 24 hours. And C average, we have to take 1.5 nanogram per ml or 1.5 microgram per liter. So we will take 1.5 mics per liter. We have to find the DM. So DM is equal to 1.5 into 0.693 over 24 into 195 into 24 divided by 0.75. So the answer that we will get is 270.27 mics. That is equal to 0.270 milligram. So this is the DM, or the maintenance dose, the final answer. We are given with some advanced problem in the same case, that there are two formulations of that cardioactive glycoside. One is in the 0.125 milligram and other one is in 0.250 milligram. If the patient is given with 0.125 milligram, then what will be the CP at time is equal to 12 hours? We have to find this. We will use the same formula, this one. So let me write the formula again. We have to find a C average, that is equal to FD naught over KVD tau. We have to find a C average. F is equal to 0.75, D naught is equal to 0.125 in this case, K is equal to 0.693 over 24 into VD is equal to 195, that will remain the same for a particular drug. Now tau is not equal to 24 but it is equal to 12. So here we have 12 and we will get 0.09375 divided by 67.5675. And after solving it, we will have the C average is equal to 0.00138. What will be the unit? Unit will be in the microgram. If we want to convert this into more precise or more well-read form, then we will say 1.38 nanogram. So this is our final answer.